Look, Mouse Maggie, I'm impatient. Already, hiccups you ain't dead. God, Mouse Maggie, within population of the superficial collection. Nick, Ashwin, make this up. You're a Berkeley. Upset the way, man. I know it's not enough hot sauce. Climb into the treatment apparatus, please. Confidentially, Mouse Maggie, this treatment has occasional side effects. But the side effects are somewhat entertaining, are they not, Mouse Maggie? I'm stoked, Mouse Maggie. This is the worst case of hiccups I've ever treated. That's it. A combination of our previous techniques validated a scar treatment. I pronounce this patient